Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called Off to California. It is recorded here in the key of G major and 4/4 time. Usually played between 110 and 130 beats per minute. A rolling travel like hornpipe. Let the rhythm carry the tune forward steadily, smoothing transitions between phases to give a sense of journey. If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.